Here I have this multifunctional sunrise alarm clock. All you have to do is plug it into the back. It also has an option for aux and USB. To turn it on, you push the button in the middle.
Sleep mode.
And you can use it for sounds, so it can be used as a sound sleep machine. The options on the side here, you can turn the volume up or the volume down. It has over 10 different options for sleep sounds. These would be great for lullabies for children. Not only that, but the option on the side here is to change the color. You can be multicolored, and you can move the brightness up and down so that it's brighter or darker. Because this is a sunrise alarm clock, it can turn the light on in the morning when your alarm goes off. You can set the alarm by using the app, and there is a very detailed manual here with QR codes so that you can learn how to program the clock in the app. This clock is Bluetooth, and so it automatically sets to your phone and will display the correct time for where you're at. This here on the back is to amplify the sound, so it's not a staticky, wavy type sound, but it's an amplified sound, making it a smoother, more clear sound. From the app, you can set it to run for 12 or 24 hours. You can choose your own sound with the USB or aux cord. You can use this for so many different ways. You can use it for children all the way up to adults, and everyone is sure to love it.